Just published my iPhone video in Coney Island. It's Tuesday, March 31st. I am heading to Florida for the rest of the week, going to visit my parents. I'm not sure how I'll feel with taking time off and being away from the studio and this routine. So I'm gonna try to do a vlog style documentation of my trip down to Florida and then mix in some of the photo stuff that I've been doing the past couple weeks. It's 1:53 p.m. in my studio now, gonna pack up and head to my apartment. Keeping the packing very minimal. Got my backpack and then just got a rolling bag. Wednesday morning down in Florida. Slept in a little bit this morning. Don't really have any plans today. Probably do some work and hang out with the family. All right, didn't really do much today. Gonna load up some of my cameras here. Got my AF Twin Olympus. This was my first point and shoot film camera. It has two lenses, 70 millimeter and 35. So you just press this red button here and it switches the lens. This one's one of my favorite point and shoots that I have. And then I have my DSLR OM1N. I've been trying to use this to get better with my manual film shooting. I'm gonna load this one up with some film and try to get some shots this week. Probably show most of the film that I shoot from this video on this camera. I don't know if I'll even get the other one developed for the video, but that's what we got going on. Thursday morning, heading out to go fishing. Successful fishing outing this morning. Now going on a little photo walk. Nice walk on the beach, took some photos. It's some crazy clouds. Took a bunch of pictures of the clouds, so I might have wasted some film on the clouds, but those are pretty cool. Nice, sunny, warm, busy day on the beach for Easter, spring break. Hopefully got some good photos, but time will tell. All right, we're back, going to the beach. Gonna take some more pictures. Taken about 25 photos so far. Going to try to finish the roll. I haven't done a lot of vlogging necessarily, but this will probably be pretty photo heavy.